How to fix TikTok Facebook login problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix TikTok login problem with Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So whenever you are trying to sign up or sign in on TikTok and you try to continue with Facebook, the reason that you can do that is because you have linked your Facebook with your TikTok. So make sure that you have done that previously, or you can simply tap on continue with Facebook and then start as well. For that, you will need to have the Facebook app installed, and after you've installed it, make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Now, if you have done that both and you're still facing the problem, the reason might be your unstable or unstable internet connection. So make sure that you have a really good internet connection. You can just go ahead and turn on your airplane mode and turn it off, or you can simply disconnect and reconnect to your Wi-Fi as well. After doing that, again, if you're facing the same issue, the reason might be that the TikTok or the Facebook servers might not be working well. So in that case, all you can do is wait for a few hours, and after you wait, you can simply head back here and then tap on continue with Facebook, tap on continue, and then finally you will have logged in by going through one or two more steps, such as continue as your Facebook. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. Now, as you can see right here, could not load account information. That happens when your servers are not working well, or you have tried too many times and reached the limit. So wait for a few hours and then tap on continue with Facebook, and then you should be able to log in with your Facebook. And that's the basic fix for it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.